Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome in my YouTube channel, Rizky Elang Kumlar. In this nice case, I would like to tell you about the English sound. Do you know about English sound? Have you ever heard about the English sound? If you have never heard about the English sound, let's watch this video till finish. Do you know, in writing, words are made by letters. In speaking, words are made by sound. English and Indonesian sounds are different. English has 44 sounds, which could be segmented into 3 big segments. The first is vowel sound. The second one is diphthong. Diphthong is double vowel. And the last one is consonant sound. Vowel sounds consist of 12 sounds. Diphthongs consist of 8 sounds, and consonants consist of 24 sounds. So 12 plus 8 plus 24 equal 44 sounds. So English has 44 sounds. Okay everyone, let's see to the picture, the example of phonetic symbol. There are 44 sounds. Let's start to the first. E, she, e, she, e, sheep, e, sheep, u, good, u, good, u, shoot, u, shoot, ear, here, ear, here, come here. A, wait, A, wait me please. A, bed, bed. Teacher, teacher. Bird, bird, angry bird. Door, door. Open the door please. Tourist, tourist. Oi, boy. Show, show me please. Cat, cat. Up. Far away. On. L, hair. My name is Jack. My. Ow, cow. P, bow. T, dog. Cheese. June, Chara, Jack. Car, my car. Go, fly. Video. Thing. 1,000, 3,000. This. See. Zoo. Shell. Television. I'm sorry. Television. Television. Man. Now. Sing. Sing a song. Hat. Love. I love you. L, love. R, red. W, wet. Y, yet. That's all. Okay everyone, I hope you understood about the explanations of this video. And you know, the main goal of learning English sounds is in order to speak English fluently and correctly. From now, if you find out the new word in English, the first thing you have to do is please open the dictionary and look at the phonetic symbol. See you to the next materials and explanations. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.